I'm Natalia Bonner, and I have been machine quilting full-time for about 7 years. My business is called Piece and Quilt. Mainly focused on machine quilting, but applique embroidery is my other favorite thing to do. On average, I quilt at least one quilt a day, some days more. I originally heard about Silhouette several years ago, and at that time remember thinking that it would be really cool if it could cut fabric on it because I cut so much fabric by hand. Around a year ago, I heard that Silhouette could cut fabric. At Quilt Market is when we were more intrigued by the cameo, learning that we could work our embroidery applique files with the cameo. To me, the most appealing thing about the Silhouette is the time that it saves, but also the accuracy. I can cut it by hand, but I'm not going to cut as precise or as quickly as I can do it with the cameo. I wish that I would have had it when you're cutting out hundreds of the exact same shape over and over. This quilt is the perfect example of a quilt that would have been a lot easier had I cut it out on the Silhouette. It has the same couple of shapes repeated multiple times, and it would have made hours and hours of cutting. I could have done it very quickly. As far as doing the embroidery applique, the Silhouette helps me because I am cutting out my pieces precisely before I actually go to the machine and cut. My piece is perfect. I just fuse it on there and then have the machine stitch it on. Without it, I have to go to my machine, have it stitch my placement stitch. Then I put on square fabric and try to cut that exact same shape, blindly guessing. The Silhouette makes my life cutting and quilting easier, faster, more accurate. The creative possibilities that it can lead to in so many ways, it's just really cool. Go buy one, it's fun.